This is a lot of 7-Up right here. Today's chug is 3 liters of 7-Up. Actually, I'm not even sure if it's like 3 liters. About a few months ago, I've done a 2-liter 7-Up, and right after that video, I've been getting a lot of people actually wanting me to do 3 liters of 7-Up because I've done a lot of 3-liter soda pop chugs. So today, I decided to bring just that video. This is 3 liters of 7-Up. I believe it's like 3 liters. Smash the like button. You guys already know what it is, and this is just 3 liters of 7-Up. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'll tell you guys at the end or something like that. But let's just go. 3 liters of 7-Up. All right, you guys already know what it is. This is the most satisfying part ever. Yeah, that's pretty satisfying. Oh, let's go. All right, go. Some big burps there. Alright, 3 down. Let's go. Not warm up for this. It's a bad idea, but let's keep going. Alright, 5 bottles down, 1 more to go. Time. That was a lot of 7-Up. That's a lot. There, as you guys can see, that was 3 liters of 7-Up soda pop. The time definitely was not pretty. Wasn't pretty at all. I think it was like 6 minutes or something like that. Probably like a little over 6 minutes. But that was 3 liters of 7-Up. And I can't stop burping. Actually, I want you guys to comment down below. Which do you guys think is better, Sprite or 7-Up? Or if they both taste the same, because I think they pretty much kind of like taste the same or whatnot. Alright, so at the beginning I did say that I wanted to save something till the end. That's why I kind of wanted to just get right into the video. When you guys were watching this, like at the very beginning, probably like right now to be honest, like if you guys see that I'm like moving really weird, is because I am actually like standing on 1 foot because I'm like currently injured. The other day I rolled my ankle pretty bad skating. If you guys do not know, I do actually skate. If you just like come to this channel just to see me do challenges and stuff like that, I do actually skate, and it was just like on the most stupidest thing ever. Like I was just warming up for a trick, obviously warm-ups as usual, and then rolled my ankle like that. So like I'm kind of like using 1 foot right now. I wanted to get a video up for you guys today because I didn't want to miss another day. I think it's been like 2 days right now. It would have been the 3rd day if I would have missed tonight's video. Pretty much not going to be able to skate for like the next 3 weeks, which sucks. But we're going to try to recover as fast as possible because I want to get back on the board and stuff like that. I know this video wasn't really long, and I know it wasn't really that much, but I do hope that you guys enjoyed, and I appreciate all of you for the love and support, and I will only getting better and stronger and getting back on my board because I already miss skating pretty much. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. We're to 3,000 subscribers. We're getting so close to 3,000 actually. We're like halfway away. That is gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we're out.